Tonight we're making chicken Alfredo. I got my chicken all cooked up here and seasoned. I'll link the recipe in the description. Now I want to get going on my sauce, but first I have to get my pasta boiling. I have some fettuccine here. Got some cookies on the side. I'm making cookies for my children. Now we're going to get going on our sauce. I'm going to leave all those brown bits in there. It's just going to have flavor. Got some seasonings in there. Gonna melt our butter. Butter is melted. Keep in mind it's brown from the brown bits on the bottom. I'm going to add my cream. It's also might get a little color to it from the butter and the. We're adding 2 cups of cream. Recipe calls for heavy whipping cream. I have light whipping cream, or light cream, so that's what I'm using. You can use half and half if you'd like. And gradually add this in while scraping up those brown bits from the bottom. You like the cookies? Put in all our cream. Those flakes that you see on top is some Italian seasoning that I added to that chicken that I cooked in here previously. Alright, now we're gonna season our sauce by adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. This is a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm going to do this 3 times. I just added 3/4 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Whisk that all in. Adding about a clove of garlic. Mine is frozen minced garlic. Whisk that in. Now we're going to bring our sauce to a gentle simmer, not a boil, for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to add our cheese. Right, our sauce has thickened quite a bit, so now we're going to add 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. That looks about right. If your sauce gets a little too thick, you can add some of your reserved pasta water. Oops. Thin it out. Right, our chicken Alfredo is ready, and I'm going to give it a taste test. Another delicious recipe. I'm going to go sit down with my family and eat, and have a blessed day, guys.